Okay, so we now discuss the slicing operation. And the slicing allow us to select a subsequence in a list. We've encountered this operation before when we looked at strings, but we're just going to apply it to lists now. So earlier we defined a list called days, and days stored the days of the week. So I'm just printing back that for the screen for reference. So here we have a list, and this is the list of the days of the week. It turns out that I can use the slicing operation. And if I just remind you the slicing operation, how it works. So it's a form of like indexing the list. And we use the colon there. So we have a start position. Let us say we're starting at position 0. And we want to end at position 3. So this is how we use the slicing operation here. So we start at position 0 all the way down and stop just before position 3. So we will return Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Okay, so that's a slicing operation as it's applied to list. So we have a start position and we end just before the end position. Start position, end position. So we start at start, end just before the end position. Okay, in a similar manner, we can also leave out the starting of the list. So the start position, if we leave that blank and we say, okay, I want you to go down to position 4 or just before position 4, the list will assume that we're starting at position 0. It turns out that if we say here that we want to start at position 5 and we're leaving the end position blank, the list will print everything down to the end of the list. So it will assume that the end position is the end of the list. Again, if we leave both blank, that is start and end, we'll have the entire list printed here. So that is the slicing operation. It allows us to return a subsequence of the list. Notice also that the slice operation will not change the list in any way. So the original list still remains intact. So that is the slicing operation. In our next video, we will look at how we can mutate the list, because we said that the list is a mutable collection of data. So we're going to look at how we can change individual elements in the list. See you then. Thank you.